performance and value for the money. This product is one of the best wall mount range hood. Now, let's see the features of this great product.
Cosmo's 30-inch wall-mounted chimney range hood has a unique pyramid design to trap smells and odors. Push-button controls operate the energy-efficient LED lights. 3 fan speeds, dishwasher safe stainless steel filters can be easily cleaned and reused multiple times for added convenience. Our filters don't need replacing, saving you money every year, so you can use multiple pots and pans without having to worry about a smoke-filled kitchen. The next time you're looking for a
And these are editor rating for this product.